how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So if you want to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet, then what you need to do is first you need to connect your device to your internet, because if you don't have an internet connection, you will find this kind of problem. So make sure that it is connected to an internet. But even after connecting to the internet, if it's saying the same problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to just scroll down and then find Safari, or go with the apps. Under apps, you can search for Safari. After tapping on it, now you need to scroll down, and here you may have advanced option. So go with the advanced section, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on advanced, you will have your website data. Tap on your website data. Under your website data, you need to go with remove all website data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on remove now. And once you've removed your website data, you can go back and you can clear your history. So go back, and here you will have clear history and website data, and tap on clear history. Once you cleared your history, you can go back, connect to the internet, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.